How to make a PDF file on mobile phone. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can create a PDF file on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, what you guys need to do is I will actually want you to open up your, if you're using iOS, open up your Apple Store, or if you're using an Android phone, you will open up your Google Play Store. Once you're inside your Google Play Store or Apple Store, I want you to download a few of the apps. First of all, you need to download Google Drive on your mobile phone. And make sure that, of course, you use Google on your phone as well. So what you will do is you will sync your Google Drive to your mobile phone as well, log in through your Google account. So I have already downloaded Google Drive right here, and you will download this one. There are actually many ways we can create PDFs on our mobile phone, and I'll show you how to do it the free way, where you don't have to do a lot and you find these apps really easily. So we have Google Drive, and then you have to download Google Docs. So here we have Google Docs. You have to install this one too. Once you have installed your Google Drive and Google Docs, make sure to log in through your Google account so that all of the different documents that you have on your laptop, you will have that on your mobile phone too. So let's say that I created a document, or even I could write a document right here on my Google Docs. Let's actually do that. I'm going to create a new document and I can type whatever I want to. I will create a document here. So let's say that I write something here and it's a whole document, 4 to 5 pages. So what you will do is you will click on this check option. You will give your document a name, whatever name you want to give it. So I'm going to call it test. You guys can trace it that it's the same document. Now, once the document is done, I'm going to click on these three dots and then you will find a lot of different options. So what you guys need to do is click on this share and export option, and then you will find share, copy link, send as copy, save as, print. So I'm going to click on save as, and it will show me a bunch of formats. Do you know that we get this option on Google Docs? So you can see I can save it as a Word document, and then we have PDF document. So I'm going to select PDF right here and click on OK, and this document right here, what I typed, will be saved as a PDF. So you can see test.pdf, and you can see now I have a PDF created on my mobile phone, just like that. It's so easy to do. So you will now download it. You can see it's a PDF. It's the same document, test.pdf. This is what I wrote. I can save this one in my mobile phone. It will be saved, of course, and it is also saved on my desktop. So I don't need to sync it to my, or so I will not have to transfer this document to my laptop, to my PC separately. I have it on my phone and I also have it on my laptop. So this is how we create PDFs on our mobile phone. Now I can upload this on my Google Drive as well. Why I wanted you guys to download Google Drive is because you can upload and get your documents from Google Drive anytime. You have photos and images that you want to add, you will upload it on your laptop, or you can add them or upload them to your Google Drive. Let me now show you how we do it. I will open up my Google Drive now. So I have my Google Drive right here, and in my Google Drive you can see I have different contact forms created, even websites created. So here I can click on this plus button and I can upload a photo. I can upload my Google Docs as well. So I will upload my Google Docs that I have already created from there, or what I can do is I can upload a photo, or I can scan a picture. So what happens is I will click on the scan option and it will open up my camera for you, and I can scan any of the documents that I have. So if I want to take a picture now of any document that I have in hard form, and what I will do is I will take the photo, and then what I do is I have a document in my hand, I take that photo and then I check it, and now it's scanned. The photo will be scanned and this is what it will look like. And now I can just save it as a PDF. You can see .pdf. It's a keyboard image, that is why it's showing like this. If it were a document, I would have saved it in that way. So let me actually show you guys how I do it. What I will do is I will take the picture of this text right here. So let's say this is one of the documents that I signed. Click on this check icon and this page will be scanned. And now you can see that I have a PDF for this. I'm gonna click on save. So it's a .pdf. Let's actually change the name, test right here. And now I will click on save. And that document is saved as a PDF that I created with my phone. So this is how you can actually change a picture, a document that you have in hard form, into a PDF on your mobile phone. You can scan that picture very easily using Google Drive, and then you can convert it into a PDF for free. If you already have a document in a Word form on Google Docs or any other form, what you can do is you can use the Google Docs, and you can just convert it into a PDF the way I showed you. This is how we create PDFs on our mobile phone, and it's for free, of course. All the tools, it's just Google Docs and Google Drive. If you have no idea how to sign into your Google Docs or Google Drive, you can just download these apps and then sign in with your Google account. You can have more than one account, and you can manage all of the different documents and all of the different PDFs that you create. So yeah, guys, and if you want to change a picture into a PDF, then you will click on this plus button right here, click on upload, select the image from your mobile phone and convert it into a PDF. Let me show you how. Let's say I select this image right here. The image will be uploaded on my Google Drive. This is the image. Click on these three dots, click on download, and the image will be downloaded. Then it will be driven to your Google Docs, and then as I showed you how to convert something into a PDF using Google Drive, you will follow that step and convert the image into a PDF. So yeah, guys, I have another way you can create PDF with images. So what you can do is you can search for image to PDF on your iOS or Android phone. So you will get right here, and I have downloaded this one right here. So you can actually use any of the image to PDF, JPG or PDF. So once it's downloaded, you will open up the app on your mobile phone. So here we have it. And what happens with this one is that you have a lot of different images and you want to create a PDF document, a file, how you can do that. So you can see what you have to do is just select this plus button right here, and then you're going to select by pictures. It will open up the images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select few of the images that I want to convert as PDF. Click on done, and those images will be selected. Click on convert to PDF. So once you do that, then what you will do is you will give your PDF a name. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call it test PDF for now. Click on convert to PDF, and it will be converted. Then you can save this to your mobile phone, and this way you will have a PDF with all of the images as a document. So this is another way you can create PDF files on your mobile phone. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.